Sorting materials. Sorting is simply arranging items in a particular order so as to access them easily in later times. We apply sorting in our day-to-day life, either knowingly or unknowingly in several instances. Our telephone directories, English dictionaries are some of the examples in which names or words are arranged in an alphabetical order. The contact list in your phone is sorted, which means that you can easily access your desired contact from your phone since the data is arranged in that manner for you. In other words, it is sorted. Suppose you are provided with some samples. Let's say gold, wood, sponge, iron, copper, iron block. Now, you are supposed to sort them on the basis of their properties. Let's understand how will we do this. Here, first we will compare wood and iron. Do both of them look similar or different? You can see wood appears very different from iron because of their appearance. Iron is shiny, whereas wood is not. Now, when you compare iron and copper, you can differentiate them by their color. What about iron and gold? Again, you can differentiate them by their color. So, iron, copper and gold are metals, but wood is not a metal. Now, let us take a sponge and an iron block. And on compressing it, you will notice that sponge can be easily compressed, but it is very difficult to compress iron. Now, materials that can be compressed or scratched easily are called as soft materials. On the other hand, materials that are difficult to compress are hard materials. So, sponge is a soft material and iron is a hard material. So, here we understood that objects can be grouped on the basis of properties like luster, hardness or softness. Can you identify some more properties that can be used to sort materials?